He was known as Brigadier General Amir Shah Khalili and was born in 1915. He took up a military career in Iran and became an officer in army of His Imperial Majesty the Shah of Iran. He rose to his rank very soon and served as adjutant in the defense ministry. As his services were required in the police force, he was seconded to the police of the state and retired as a chief police. He had many medals and decorations to his credit. He was the estate agent of the Imam since 1951 in Iran. After his retirement, he started his own small business and became the directors of 3 business firms. His younger brother, Rukh Shah Khalili, was promoted in the army as Brigadier General in 1963 and was posted in Shiraz in the province of Fars as the head of the police department. When de Gaulle, the French president, visited Shiraz, he was honored with the French Legion of Honor. His other brother, Colonel Abdul Ali Khan Shah Khalili, was in the defense department. All these brothers were landowners and very influential and served the Ismaili Jamaats in Iran. Shah Khalili attended the first Ismaili socio-economic conference in Karachi on 15 December 1964 and died in 1966 in Iran.